Tell me. Huh? Nene, what happened? Talk. What dream did you have? What was your dream? You were saying gay, 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 or you were like explaining something to me. What was it? Say it. Say it, Nene. Yeah, yeah. And what happened? What else? Nene? Huh? What? No, you need to say it to the camera. What happened? Tell me. Tell me what happened. And then what? What? Yeah? Yeah? Say it, Nene. What was your dream like? Because you woke up talking and talking and talking. Tell me. Tell me, what was it? What was it that you dreamed? Nene. Say it. Say your dream. Hmm? What? What? Say it. No, you don't want to say it no more? Nene. Yeah, it looks like you had like a little bad dream or something. And you were fighting them? You ate, you made a mess of yourself. And now you want to tell me a story. You want to tell me your dream. Tell me your dream. Was it a bad dream? You want to sit up? Okay. Ya. Where are your teeth? When are they coming in? Huh? Nene. Hey. What are you looking at? What are you thinking over there? Huh? Okay. Bye-bye. What? Yeah. Yeah. What? And then what? Were you fighting them off? Did you win? No, it wasn't a good dream. Okay, bye-bye.